going to be making a lantern out of this mason jar, some see-through material. You could use a handkerchief or a scarf from Dollar Tree. Isn't it cute with all the little turtles on it? So, and that's what I plan on using. I will also need a little candle to put inside, and this is an LED one, and Mod Podge, and I'm going to be using the outdoor Mod Podge. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is cover the outside of your mason jar with the Mod Podge, and you can use regular Mod Podge, paper Mod Podge. I'm using this because it's what I have on hand. So I'm just gonna take some out. Now this stuff is really thick. I probably could water it down. So you just want to cover the whole area with the Mod Podge. I've used this Mod Podge before, and I find it gives a thick coating. All right, so I went all the way around with that. So you don't want to let it dry, which is great for me because you know I don't like to let anything dry. And so now what I want to do is cut up strips of the material and place them on. So here's the first one. And you want to fold it over on the inside. So I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on the inside and up here because I want to continue with my fabric on the inside, just so it's not jagged at the top here. It's all able to go over. Okay, so that's the first piece. And I'm going to cut about 2 inches. Okay, so I've got this piece, and now I'm going to put it on my mason jar. Okay. And then you want to just make sure that it's down properly. It's not sticking up. I don't know, is that too much of a contrast? I'm not hating it. You want to make sure to put Mod Podge under. Okay, and now I'm going to put some more of the dark blue. I'm just adding some more. I'm going to move it back I don't know if I like it.
But I continued on adding the Mod Podge and pushing down on the fabric because I wanted it to be smooth and very stuck on well. So I made sure to add a lot of Mod Podge to this project. And then I pushed down on the fabric just to make sure that it was adhering.
I wonder if I put this layer on first and then I covered it with the other layer. I don't know. Okay, now we're going to add some more of this. Okay. Then we're going to put this on. Next time I buy Mod Podge, I'm getting the paper one. Uh-oh. It's loose.
Maybe it did have something to do with the type of Mod Podge that I was using, but I found that it was drying very quickly, and as I was putting the Mod Podge on and then putting the fabric on top, some parts were not covered with Mod Podge, so that's why I had to add so much more.
Okay, here it is so far. I'm not hating it. Okay, now I need another. So I didn't have to put the Mod Podge on right away because I feel like this Mod Podge dries fairly quickly. I'm not used to that. I can't tell which way is which. Yeah, I think this is the way. Okay. And you want to make sure that it's all down good. Okay. And under here. And now I'll have one more turtle piece.
The nice thing about this project is you can use some scrap fabric as long as it's thin so that you can see the candle inside after.
So that's what it looks like so far, but I'm going to add some more Mod Podge. You got to cover the whole thing in Mod Podge now. Just going to cut this excess off at the bottom. Okay. And then I'm going to take some more and just make sure to smooth it all. I found this ribbon and I'm going to apply it on top. And here's how it looks so far. Really liking it. I found this jewel in my stash and I decided to add it on. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and add it right on here. Turn it on. Put it inside and hope for the best. I can see it. Now let's check it with the lights off. And here's how it looks with the lights off. And I think it looks awesome. Try it for yourself. For more candle inspirations, click on the next video.